Hi guys, my name is Mohammad Shehzad and you're watching my YouTube channel Skill Set with Shehzad. Today we will try to convert our HDD hard drive as a SSD or flash, so we can use that drive for our vSAN cluster. Uh, we have one physical server. As we know, we are building a home lab. Let's log in and add one drive to it. Like we have a ESXi server. This one right now we have only 40 GB. As we know, for vSAN cluster we need one flash or SSD drive for our cache tier, and we can use HDD normal as a capacity tier, which will be our hybrid vSAN cluster. So I will let you know how to convert HDD drive to a flash drive. Let's go. First of all, we will add a drive here. For example, I'm going to add hard drive into my nested ESXi server. Okay, it's added standard. I will make it 20 GB for as my cache tier, and I will add another hard drive. I will use it 80 GB for my capacity tier. Saved. Now what we need to do, I have some parameters. We have to do that. First of all, go again to array settings and come to this 20 GB, which we are going to make it as our flash drive. If you see here, this is controller 0.1. So we need this controller ID and copy that. If you want to take this ID or note it now, this one, or you can come here, edit, and come here. You can see here as well. So this is the ID for this 20 GB. Okay. So what we need to do, we have to make it like this. This is our 0.1. So in this, I will say 0.1. Convert to virtual SSD equal 0. Convert this one to this one. Okay, we'll copy that. I will copy this full. Note it down this. SCSI 0:1 dot virtual SSD equal 1. So we will go into the machine settings, VM options. In the VM options, we will go in advanced. In advanced, we will come down, edit configuration. In the edit configuration, we will add parameters. Add. So you will see at the end, we have to copy here, paste. And here, value is 1. 1 means it's on. Turn it on this as a flash drive, SSD. Okay. Save. Okay, the ESXi saying a failed parameters cannot be this one. Okay, let's see. We can check again. There is some failed parameters. Okay. Reconfigure. Okay, we will just check. Maybe we missed something. Come to here. Okay, controller is 0:1. Okay, machine options, advanced. Okay, configuration. Let's see, double check if it is there or not. Okay, add again. Need to paste. Make sure value is 1. Okay, that's fine. Try again, save. Okay, now it's successful. So successfully, sometime it's take time to adjust. So now this this hard disk is acting as SSD. So we can use it for our vSAN cluster. So similar you can do for other 2-3 ESXi's which you are going to connect to your vSAN cluster. You can build, and with that you can use all 3 ESXi servers with the cache tiers 20 GB and 80 GB you can add, or up to you. You can add for the capacity tier. So we must need flash or SSD drive for our cache tier in vSAN cluster. So this is the way how we can convert. It's very easy, simple. Hope you guys like my video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for upcoming videos. Take care. Bye bye.